Hello guys, Ivan here speaking. We are again today with my new Astro Auto Trader. So this is expert advisor for Astro reversal indicator. And we have at the moment three trades. One of them is GBP/USD on M5 time frame, and there are Euro JPY and USD Swiss franc. What to say? As I explained yesterday, you can use it on all time frame, but my advice is to use it mostly on higher time frame. The lowest time frame I advise is M5 if you want to have many trades per day. But in my opinion, 1 hour is the best solution. Yesterday we have two trades with 1 hour time frame. Today I trade on M5 to show you how it works on M5. Here we have sell trade, one lot size, and it is in the money for now. Here we have this one in the money, but it's 0.10 lot size. Here it is going in the good direction for now. And we have this one also 0.10, and it's also going in good direction. It's still here minus because of spread in forex broker spreads. How to use it? Very simple. You just set it up according to your trading wants, what you want to do. Do you want risk more to have a quick profit, or you are more conservative, you trade with smaller lot size on higher time frame, but much more safer? So the settings are here, as I explained yesterday. You can set up the time of the day when you want to trade, what session, London, New York, Tokyo, or all. I put here both London and New York session together from 9 o'clock to 11 p.m. Then you can make your own profit, take profit, limits, stop loss. It's all up to you. Then you have this function, trailing stops. Here we have when the trailing stops will be activated and how much it will be. So if the trade goes in your direction, you will save or lock your profit, minimum profit, with these limitations. How to use it exactly, I will, when you buy Expert Advisor, I will send you a video where I will explain how to set it up and how we use it more detailedly. And you here have two opportunities. You can trade with fixed lot size, like we have this 0.10 or 0.5 or 1.0 or anything, or you can use this risk percent number. So it means how much of your trading balance, what you have on account, you are going to risk. So if you have $1,000 in your account, and if you put 5% here, so you risk 5% or $50 if you lose. So $50 you can lose maximum. It also depends about your take profit, how much you make your profit, and so on. So 5% is very high. You see here we have 5% is the software calculates that it is one lot size to trade, and we have we had about $8,000, close to 9, and software calculates the risk of 5%. I advise you to trade maybe with 1% or 2%, not more. And here, Euro JPY, let's see this. Here you see properties. We do not have a risk percent. Number is 0, so it's O10 fixed lot. It's O10 lot that which you trade with. So currently we have 3 trades open, this one, and this one. It takes time, it is not binary options. Binary options is trade in a limited time, which you decide 1 minute, 10, 15, 1 hour. But here it is different with Forex. If you like to trade binary, you can use Astro reversal indicator only, but you will have to trade manually. This is Astro Auto Trader for Forex, and the software will trade instead of you. You can go to your job, do anything, just set up all, and software will trade for you. So we are winning 1 trade, second trade, another is about 0. So it's nothing special to see. I will pause the video and come back later to see how at least one of these finished. Hello guys, we are back, and as you can see with GBP USD we are very close to finish, but it goes up a little bit now, and as you can see the stop loss or trailing stop moved down here and secure our minimum profit from here. So if this go up, it will be close here, but you still have some profit here. So that's the purpose of trailing stop, which you can set up in settings. Here also is going good for now, and here Euro JPY we are losing for at the moment, but okay, we'll see. So we only have to wait now, and I'm going to stop this video now and wait and come back again. We are again here, and we are very close, few pips that it finished. You see $200 in the money for now. So guys, it's very simple to use. This is Expert Advisor Astro reversal. Very simple to use. just set up the basic settings, time of trading, pips, lot size, stop loss, trailing stop. You will get all explained when you get this Astro advisor, and let it go, let it run, and you will make a very, very decent profit. Depends again how much you will trade with, what is your starting balance, what size of pip or what percentage, risk percentage you will use for trading, as I explained before. So see here, and of course it depends on the broker. This broker is not good because it has a spread, very high spread. You must choose ECN brokers with maximum 1 to 2 spread and leverage 1 to at least 500. So let's finish this trade. Maybe a pip or two. It's very close. You see, it passed over the, but this is now, we're talking about the spread. It was question of maybe 1 micro pip. You see, it is below the red line, but the spread of the broker is maybe 5 pips, and it's like still it's not closed. Yeah. So it takes this trade 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Less than 1 hour. It's 11th. It's 11th candle of 5 minutes. And such a trade you will have several per day. And if you open many pairs, you will have many trades with M5. Of course, with higher time frames, less trade, but much higher profit with the same pip size. So we wait for closing of this trade. You see, we crossed down. Yes, you see, and we earned $240. So now we have these 2 trades more, but we would not follow this until the end. You see now where is the trade, and you see the trailing stop went here. So this is, if this trade goes wrongly in down direction, it will close here, and still we will have some money. You see, it's about 5 pips. I think, yes, we have set it up here. So this is always good to put to secure your trade, because if the trade, and in most of cases it goes in the beginning in the good direction, so if it reaches this, fantastic, but if goes down, you're still in the money. This is a protection of losing money here, because if it goes down, the stop loss was here. You will lose, I don't know, 20 pips, $20, $30, but in this case, your profit is locked up. It's here. You see how it's finished. And we want this trade too. So guys, I hope you are satisfied with this video, and you could see that Astro Auto Trader is very simple to use but very profitable. Tomorrow we'll try to trade again with maybe 1 hour time frame again. Any questions you have, you can use my mail below, and I'm open to answer any questions. Bye bye.